Hey guys, just want to let you know I was editing this video and I did remember something that I was doing during the live stream as well. Even though I pulled the sweeps on this vehicle, the curvature of the glass still needed to be shrunk. So, I mean, the primary purpose of me pulling sweeps is so I don't have to shrink on the outside and can have a better install or a bottom load. Now, shrinking on the outside and still pulling the sweeps might make it easier for you in a two-stage process, or you can still shrink and then do a bottom load. But I just want to let you know that most of the time when I do pull sweeps is so that I can avoid shrinking, but I still had to shrink in this video. Just fair warning, enjoy.
Yeah, we're bottom loaded. We bottom loading. I need you. I don't know what I need for you yet. Might be this way. No. That'll do. Screwdriver. Where are you? There you are. Uh-oh. 16's not enough. Wow, really? All right. We got a little grill. There you go. And then you come out. Come on. There you go. Get out of there. There you go. Very nice. Not really worried about taking these out. I'll just be a little cautious putting them back in. I probably didn't even need to pop that one. Could have just done that.